Welcome to the Fumble, I'm Crystal Marie. A photo of Jameis Winston looking rather out of shape surfaced recently, and it left people wondering how the 2015 NFL Draft's top prospect ended up gaining so much weight. The photo has caused many football fans to poke fun at Jameis, even former New York Giants quarterback Jared Lorenzen. The 320-pound former signal caller took to Twitter to chime in on the matter. He posted this side-by-side comparison of himself and Winston with the caption, "In honor of Fat Tuesday, I will play Who Looks Better? P.S. The answer is obvious. Bigger is better." Many are projecting Winston to be selected as the #1 overall pick in the draft. His performance in the NFL Combine could determine if that happens or not. If the former Florida State quarterback is as out of shape as this photo leads us to believe, he may have a bit of trouble performing to the best of his ability at the NFL Combine. Winston's private quarterback coach, George Whitfield, said the unflattering photo was taken 5 weeks ago. Since then, Whitfield said, Winston has lost around 15 pounds. Whitfield added that Winston naturally pushes out his stomach when he throws, which is why he appears to have a gut in the photo. He's lost about 12 to 15 pounds, Whitfield told USA Today. When you hear stuff about Jameis, the weight, and he's getting fat, what do people think, that I've been golfing while he's been playing Call of Duty? He's always had a thing about pushing his stomach out, Whitfield said. I hadn't seen the pic until Saturday. You smile about it because people got it and they jumped on it. When I saw him later, Jameis laughed and said, "I'm going to be out in front of the world in a couple of days anyway." Here's a more current photo of Winston, who appears to have really trimmed down for the upcoming NFL Combine. All of the attention is on Winston, and he has much to prove this week. He's been working his butt off the last 5 weeks to make sure he's going to make a tough decision for somebody, Whitfield said. He looks good. I like where he is, focused, driven. He's enjoying the process. Whitfield said Winston reminds him of two stars with great careers in the NFL, Ben Roethlisberger and Phillip Rivers. For more sports news, visit us at thefumble.com. Will Jameis Winston be a superstar or a bust? Click here for our thoughts and to weigh in. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to The Fumble for more on all your favorite athletes.